Hi students, welcome to our physics class. In this class I am going to explain about functions of simple machines related to simple machines. Simple machine, a device which make our work easier with less effort. Devices make our work with less effort are called simple machines. Simple machines helps us in different ways. Different ways the simple machines are helping us we are going to discuss as functions of simple machines. Here see, first one, changing the direction of applied force. By using simple machines, we can change the direction of the force applied. Example, a pulley change the direction of the applied force. To pull a weight upwards, we use pulley. What is the use of pulley? By using pulley, we applied force or applied effort is towards the gravity. So that means to pull the weight upwards, we use pulley. Because of pulley, we can apply force on the weight towards the gravity on the string. Towards the pull the string towards the gravity is easier. Pull the weight upwards against to the gravity is difficult. So by using pulley, we make our work easier, pulling towards the gravity. Example, pulling water from the well. We pull the string towards the gravity easier for us instead of pulling the water against the gravity. So that is why we use pulley for change the direction of the force. That is the first one. Second one, applying the force at convenient position. We can apply force, no need to apply force on whole body. We can apply at particular position, apply the force at particular position to make the work easier. Example, to run the cycle, tires must rotate. We no need to rotate full tire, whole tire we no need to rotate. We applied force on wheel, metal wheel or on the pedal. By that what will happen? It is connected to wheel and total wheel will rotate. So here applying force is at one position. No need to turn whole tire. We are applying just force at pedal and metal ring. So metal disc. By that we can achieve the rotation of the tire. So that means what? Applying force at convenient position. We can apply the force at convenient position by using machines. And another one, multiply the applied force. Our force should be multiplied. Then only we can do our work easier. Of course, we do some work on machine. That force should be multiplied by the machine and achieve the great result. Example, by applying force we cannot lift the car, but by using jog, by applying force, by using jog, we can lift the car. Here jog help us to make our effort multiplying. So our force multiplied by the jog, and that is why car can lift by the jog. But applying force by us only. If you directly apply force on the car, we cannot lift. But by using machine like jog, easy to lift the car. Here what happened? Jog helps us multiply our force. By that we can make our work easier. That is called multiplying the applied force. Next one, increasing the speed of the work or speed of the object. If we do work directly without any machine, it takes so much time. If we do or if we use a machine to do the work, we can complete the work faster. And also objects also can move faster by, for example, wheel and axle. To transport one place to another place or to travel one place to another place, wheel and axle helps us very much to transport one place to another place or to travel one place to another place by using any means of transport, vehicles, bus, car, like that. Wheel and axle helps us to make our work easier. And also, if you do directly any work without machine, it takes time. If you use machine, it will finish fast. Example, digging the soil with hands difficult and takes so much time. If you use crowbar like machine, easy to finish and fastly we can finish the work. We can dig the soil and we can achieve the target. So such a way, missions helps us in different ways are called functions of simple missions. Once again, only functions I am reading. Changing the direction of the applied force. Example, pulley. Applying force at convenient position. Example, applying force on pedal to rotate the tire. Multiply the applied force. Example, jog multiplies our work to lift the car easily. Increasing the speed of the work or speed of the object. Wheel and axle makes speed of the object, increase the speed of the object like car, bus. Wheel and axle like machines. And also by using crowbar, some machines, we can do our work faster than without machine. Thank you for watching.